Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X7 M60i in Black Saphhire Metallic with a black interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X7 M60i in Black Saphhire Metallic. I just hit unlock. We just saw a sweet welcoming animation in those crystal headlights. And I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to press and hold. Panic for 1 second so we can get the full low beam system lighting on there. So that's what that would look like. And I'm going to do one full lap all the way around the car. Looks sweet with the split headlight design, and this one I can see has a winter tire package on here. And you can see that welcome light carpet. Tail lights animating on as well. And now that we've done this lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. We got the beautiful Black Saphhire Metallic, and this is the default black for BMW right now, and I love how it looks. You can see where the light is hitting it, some of that metallic flake in the actual paint, which looks really nice. And the X7 has these nice lines coming down the hood lengthwise. BMW Rondell. This is what it currently looks like. It's going to be switching in the near future. We have the one-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats. These are active grille shutters behind, so they will open when it needs to breathe. Got the M badging on the driver's side, front-facing camera, front plate bracket, radar puck, parking sensors. That's where the tow hook goes on that spot right there. And we've got all kinds of functional air down here. And there's the unlock welcoming animation. And again, full low beam system. And kidney grille illuminates with a cascading light design, so it shines from the top down. Looks really cool. I do really like the front end of the X7. And if we take a closer look, so these are the BMW crystal headlights, which looks sweet. Look at that. And down here, low beam. So, lighting system looks really cool. Now we come to the side. We have a winter tire package here. These look to be 21s. I think this one actually came with the 23s stock. And we've got some Pirelli Scorpion winter tires on here. And we've got the black M Sport brake there as well, which looks sweet. We've got the M badging on the fender with this little cutout design that goes underneath the doors. And we do also have the welcome light carpet that illuminates out of the rocker panel. Looks kind of like this. It's a bit hard to see with this lighting, but it's visible. We also have the black M wing mirrors with the integrated turn signal, and the side cameras down here. And up top, we've got the black roof rails, panoramic sunroof. We've got a third row sunroof up there as well with the new style antenna. Side profile view, this is definitely sports activity vehicle design. And we have this style of door handle here, and it has touch comfort access on the fronts. Big rear windows, Hofmeister kink. There's your rear wheel with the black M Sport brake back here as well. And up top, we got the spoiler. We have the three-dimensional tail lights with all these intricate designs. BMW is lit up on there as well. And I'm just going to hit lock for a second so we can see that tail light diminish. And I'm just going to hit unlock again so you can see the animation. So that's pretty sweet. We also have the freeform exhaust with quad exhaust tips. And rear diffuser. There's a shot of the muffler. I have the key with me, so you can do one swift kick underneath the middle to have this open the hands-free way. Once this opens up, this button lowers the car. I already have it on the lowest setting just so it looks sweet. This raises or lowers the lower tailgate portion. I currently have it set so that it only raises the top in case you got something around in here you don't want it to fall out on an incline. And we have this cargo cover here that says X7 on it. This can be removed completely, but it's just here to hide your contents if anybody looks in. We've got a 12-volt plug. We've got all the controls. So this represents the second row, so you can fold the seats flat. Third row, maximum seating, maximum storage space. If I lift this up, we have your cargo cover. Down here, tire inflator kit. Wheel lock keys are on this side, and tow hook is on this side in the X7. Cargo cover can also come out and be put in place of the third row seating if you want, and you have an extra large back storage area. And these panels can also come off as well. It makes it easier to get that cargo cover out of there. And since we're just over here, third row headrest can flip up or flip down by pulling the string. They also have their own sunroof up here. Those are heated seat buttons and some lighting controls, and open and close the sunshade. And I'm just going to put down just the third row. So I'm just going to press these twice down like this. You'll see the orange light is blinking to let you know that it's accepted your command, and it is moving these down at the speed of luxury, which is extra slow. So once the seat comes down, I just wanted you to see we also have a little stirrup here for your seatbelt. So if you're putting things through, it's not getting tangled. They also have down there a little port where they have the USB Type-C charging port, as well as a little I-ring there. And those spots on either side lift up, and that's where that cargo cover that was in there will go. So I'm just going to hit maximum vehicle occupancy. So you see the lights blinking. So it'll bring all the seats back up. Back to how it was. And while that's happening, up here there's a button to close, another one to close and lock. But you can definitely kick your foot underneath to have this close the hands-free way. Sweet. On the passenger side, we have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a little spot to put the cap while you're refueling. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. You can shut the door. If I open the rear door, you'll see that we have the sunshade up here. So we have some controls down here, galvanic controls, so window switch. These are the sunshades, the little curved picture, just like that, and just like this. And this is representing the third row sunshade, and this is representing the main sunshade. So these can only operate when the car is actually on. And the door panel itself has some nice stitching, ambient light, carbon fiber, a speaker, and some door pockets. We have an illuminating aluminum M door sill. Power seat in the second row. These are to move the seat forwards or backwards to get into the third row. This is to fold or unfold the seat flat. The headrest can flip up or flip down. We have an armrest in the center with some storage and some cup holders. And once that's down, you can find the string in the center for a center pass-through. And I'm going to just press this forward for a second so we can see what happens. And by the way, this is like a default seating position button, so you can get all the seats to realign. So in the rear, you can see we've got some winter mats. We have these controls to fold down or lift up the third row seating from either side. So this exists also on the other side there as well. And just as what I'd mentioned earlier, you can just see what I was talking about. And you can adjust the height of the seat belt. And when we're done with this, I'm just going to press this. The seat will go back to its previous position. On the back of each front seat, you have a little accessory port with USB Type-C charging ports. We've got tablet holders and other things that you can put in there. A little bit of ambient light, pocket. Back of the center console, we have some vents. Rear climate controls with heated seats for the two outer positions, a little storage space, and we have 12-volt plug and two USB Type-C charging ports down there. It's kind of dark. And you can see the lighting. There's more vents underneath there as well. And up top, we do have the handle with the coat hanger and the lights, another coat hanger on the back of each B-pillar, and another vent on the back of each B-pillar. And just because we can kind of see it right now, we do have the Sky Lounge sunroof, so the ambient light color is shining through into the sunroof edges, which is pretty sweet. So let's shut this door. Soft close door, boom. And we'll open the front passenger door next. Open that up. We see there's a welcome light carpet over here. Front door panel, you can see we've got stitching going across, massage chair, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, unlock lock, window, and we have ambient light, carbon fiber, speaker, big pocket down there, aluminum illuminating M60i, door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. So that's sweet. We have some stitching on the dash. iDrive 8.5 with the curved display on here, and we have the M light interaction bar. We have the new style vents, glove box down here. It is illuminated. If we lift this up, you'll see that we have a wireless charger, USB-A, heated and cooled cup holders. So these aren't magic. They still have to fall within the realm of physics as far as we know. So don't come here saying it doesn't work with your Yeti mug, please. And we have glass push start button, glass gear selector, glass iDrive controller. There's also some padding along the side here. We have your air suspension controller, and if I press this, you'll see that we have a USB Type-C charging port in there as well. So now that we've had a chance to look through this side, let's soft close this door. And we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, let me open that up. So in here, we've got the nice stitching as well. This is to move the second row seats forwards or backwards so people can get into the rear seating area. Driver's side massage chair, gentleman's button. So turning this on will allow the driver's side controls to control the passenger seat, just like so. And we've got memory. This is to raise or lower the second row sunshades. Oh. This is child safety. All four windows are one touch up and down. Side mirror controls, tailgate releases over here. And again, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. The only manual adjustment you can make is folding the headrest if you wish. And here's the M Sport steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around the wheel. And we've got the leather airbag cover, heads up display, and this has everything. So we have full auto parking, so automatic front park, back park, parallel park, come out of a parking spot. You can also do the 3D view if you wish as well. And in terms of cruise control, we've got the cruise control in this car that can mitigate the speed, the distance to the car in front of you. It can also steer for you, and this can all be done with no hands on the steering wheel. It can also change lanes for you, and if you're using the BMW Nav, it can change lanes for you based on your navigation destination with no hands on the steering wheel. And up top, we have some sunroof controls. We also have a button here that opens or closes the third row sunshade, just like that. And we've got some garage door opener buttons, and we have up here, open the mirror, the light turns on, the visor can come out, it can also extend, and we have the Alcantara roof liner up here as well. Microphones on the ceiling for Bluetooth, and we've got the handle on each side as well. Now, if we just take a step out of here and look down here, so we have a power adjustment for your steering column, exterior lighting controls, a little storage area, and way down here, it's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin power turbo, 523 horsepower, 553 foot-pounds of torque, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. BMWs only like regular washer fluid. You can see we also have that diamond strut bar. BMWs also have 2 latches under the hood. So if I want to bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beauty. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around the vehicle. And you know what, I'm just gonna lock it so we get the lights to shut off, because I want to see that welcome light animation one more time because it's so sweet. Look at that, even when it's locking, it's going away so gracefully. So let's see the lights. Yeah, they're doing cool things. Love that. And This vehicle does look very boss, that's for sure, especially in black on black on black on black. And whole car looks awesome. I love that you could do this with this third row down and make it like a giant X5. For that reason, I personally prefer the bench seating because you have you retain one seating space and the whole second row can go flat. With the captain's chairs, they are a bit more luxurious, but you lose the ability to fold the second row flat. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X7 M60i in Black Saphhire Metallic with the black interior, and we got black brakes on there too. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.